Yo, what's good? Christmas 2022. And I've set up some things for some self-portraits, and I want to make sure that I can, remember the season and whatnot. So thank y'all for tuning in, checking out what I got. Obviously, this is the last holiday season in the studio, so why not make some content? You know what I'm saying? So Visuals AF is here, and we finna shoot some self-portraits for Christmas. Yeah. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my camera up to link to my camera got an EOS R. Let's see. Make sure I turn this thing on. Yeah, it's on. Okay, cool. So yeah, I'm gonna let that do what it do. It's doing what it's doing, trying to connect and whatnot. Join. And basically, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right, boom, we in motion. So yeah, everything you see on here, you can see on here. So I can pretty much control, let me see, control what I got. It's gonna brighten it up and just typing on the, scene and whatnot. And whichever, focus point I put it on, that's what it's gonna be on. That's exactly what it's gonna be on. So I'm gonna try to keep it, I'll probably change it, but I'm gonna keep it just like this, just so we can get, all the boxes on there and stuff like that. So, and like I say, I'm gonna be shooting on an EOS R. Right now, I have a 35 millimeter lens on it. Not really focusing in, not really focusing, but zooming in or anything like that. I might just try to see what 35 millimeter looking like, and I'm keeping it right there. And yeah, that's pretty much how I do all of my self-portraits. It'd be on this lens right here, 35 millimeter. So yeah, so right now my settings are at ISO 640, f-stop is 10, and my shutter speed is at 1/250th. So let's see what it's looking like. So yeah, right now I'm working with one light setup. And if I feel like I need to add some more light to it, I'll just do so. But for right now, let's rock like that. So I got about a 2-second timer for right now. I see myself right here. I already know it. I'm gonna have to lift it up because I'm too tall. And I'll just take a test shot anyway. 1, 2. All right, I'm rocking with it. It's just, I want more space. So I probably am gonna have to change my lens because the 35 millimeter ain't giving me, what I want. As far as everything. But yeah, let me just try to zoom out some more. All right, cool. I'm gonna do another tester. Another tester. Yeah, it's cool and all, but it's not giving me the look that I'm looking for. So yeah, I'm gonna have to change what lens, which is fine. So let me just do that right quick. All right, so I'm really gonna go to a 24 to 105, pretty much like my, go-to or standard lens and all that stuff like that. But I'm gonna put it on 50 though. I'm gonna see about 50, and I'm also see about 70 as well, and just try to compare to get the best image of what I'm looking for or for what I see in my head. Let's see. All right, so I got the 24 to 105 on there. Let me see what it's looking like now. Damn it. Let me just see what it's looking like. All right, I'm rocking with it. And at the same time, I went and bought all of these props and everything like that. So everything you see, that's what I got for this holiday season. And everything. So investments that you make, and hopefully you can capitalize off of it for the next season as well. And the season after that, and then you just keep using and reusing, and then every year that you use it, it lowers the price. So even so, say if like I spent $500 this year for studio props and all that, next year, next year it'll go down with shit. I spent $250 this year, and I spent $250 last year. That type of situation. And then in 4 years, well, I spent $100, just, you know, just keep it up with everything, you know? And like I said, even if you're spending on it, it's gonna always come back to you. So when you're investing into yourself, it's gonna always come back to you. So keep that in mind. Alright, this is cool. I'm gonna just scooch this onto the side. Alright, cool. Man, I saw it too. So yeah, right now I'm fucking with it. It's just, I just wish I had more. See, I can't even set shit down. Shit hard. Not really hard, but it's just like, damn, man. Cause I wish it was a 5-second timer instead of a 10-second. I think I waited this long ass time for fucking. So then it's like even after that, I have to put myself or get right back into the position where I was. Let's see the picture. Let's see if I can autofocus and then turn the focus on because I already know where I'm gonna be at. 7 feet behind that line right there. Turn this off actually. So I turned the autofocus off. I'm gonna be where I'm gonna be at. Right here. So I should be in the same position every single time. Ain't gonna matter. It's gonna be sharp. But yeah, we're gonna work out like that and see what we got. So everybody's set? Alright, cool. So yeah, it's already going, it's already flowing. I just gotta do what I do. Let's see what it's looking like. Let's see what we got. I'm rocking with that, So fake. Listen. You get this bag going. Bag of goodies. I got stuff. Make it look big. Now we got something. So yeah, it's already set. It's already doing what it's supposed to be doing. Give me 10 seconds. And we're gonna make it happen. I took too long. I gotta be more in the process. Take some more. I like doing these. They be fun. They be real fun. Let's have some fun with it. Trying to hold on. Damn. Just want some shots, you know, just want some shots to, you know, be along with the season. Also, I bought all these props, so I want to make sure I can take advantage of my own shit. Just shit like that. Not sure how I'm gonna do it. But yeah, just wanted to make it happen. It's like my famous pose now. Like I don't know anything else. Like I'm trying to hold my stomach or hide my stomach and shit. But yeah. Damn Santa, where the gifts at? If you're gonna bring me anything, bring me a bitch bag. Alright, let me hit him with that squat one time. Ooh. Like school pictures and shit. Pictures. All right, turn your head. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Looking ass nigga. And I just needed a couple. I think this will do. Just like that. That's not in focus. Let me fix that. Turn the autofocus back on actually. That's why you always review before you change some shit. Always review. Alright, let's try these ones on the grizzle again. Let's see. Now I was thinking about that. Let's look at that. All them tools up. All them tools up. Looking at it. I need to get tight. But I rock with it all night. Dance you into the sunlight. I wanna rock with you, do 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 do, all night. I wanna rock the night away. Yeah, whatever. All I needed was 2, 3 to remember the season. Other than that, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Thank y'all for tuning into my content. And yeah, until next time, until next season, until next everything. Visuals AF in the building. Yeah.